we will explain why you should never drive with bad camshaft position sensor and how it can cost you thousands of dollars. Make sure to stay till the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have a check engine light and code that relates to camshaft position sensor. In this video we will explain, can you drive with bad camshaft position sensor? Many people asked us that. We'll explain how it can affect your car, how it can cost you thousands of dollars, why. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay till the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have guys, that's the Dodge right here. And if you look at it now, okay, what we have specifically, doesn't matter that it's a V6, it could be V8, V6, it will relate to all of them. You will have at least 2 or 4 camshaft position sensor. Most of the times will be actually 4 camshaft position sensors integrated in one sensor, 2 in 1. As you can see, why? Because for instance that you can see that's a V6 engine. So you have one cylinder head here, one there. On each cylinder head you have dual variable timing. It means that the intake camshaft and the exhaust camshaft can be retarded and advanced. This is okay, they did that so you can get better fuel economy, the engine is not polluting, you have better power, and the power curve will be way more efficient. So you will need 2 sensors, one for each camshaft, to detect the position of that camshaft, so the engine computer knows the exact position at any time. And you will have that device that's known as a camshaft position sensor. Actually it's one sensor, but you have 2 camshaft position sensors, one for the intake, one for the exhaust. When they fail, sometimes they might fail completely, sometimes it may be just one that fails. So if you keep driving guys with bad camshaft position sensor, okay, that can be really costly repair in the long run. It can even lead to accidents. We will explain why. Another thing, if you want to see how to replace camshaft position sensor, okay, on Dodge Challenger, we'll have the video on the channel. If you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor on Dodge Challenger, we'll have that video coming as well. In those videos we'll talk in some cases how you may get a code for camshaft position sensor, but it actually is not a bad camshaft position sensor, it's something completely different. But when it fails guys, or you get a code for it, okay, how it can affect your car in multiple ways. One, the variable timing will be turned off. You may feel engine vibrations, loss of power, increased fuel consumption. You may feel having rough idle, unstable engine operation. Engine may die, especially all of a sudden, or you slow down, you let off the gas or stop at a stop sign, traffic light. That can lead guys into accidents, because all of a sudden if the car dies, okay, it's unpredictable, that can lead into an accident. Something else it can cause in some cases, even lean fuel mixtures that can cause problems with catalytic converter valves, multiple things, but that would take of course thousands and thousands of miles to drive it. But if you have a bad camshaft position sensor, replace it as soon as you can so you don't get in an accident, so your car will be responsive, you will know what to expect. Otherwise it could be a little bit unpredictable guys, and it could be really dangerous to drive with one. Another thing, they can cause backfire. Backfire sometimes can cause jump timing chains, and that can destroy engines as well. So definitely replace it. You may experience slow start, or in some cases the car not even starting because of bad camshaft position sensor. If you want to see anything else specifically on Dodge Challenger, let us know. We'll be more than glad to make a video when we have time. Just drop a comment below. It's a win-win situation. You will give us an idea for a video, we will help you for free, and we'll try to help more people. As you know, that's our goal, to help as many people as we can, absolutely free guys, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you want to see anything else specifically, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.